Hi, everybody. It's Rob from Two Turtle Gardens. Um, I got my Amazon order for my carp fishing, catfishing, and gardening still supplies. I got some of them in. I have still got some more stuff coming in. I've got, I'll tell you what I have. I got this wonderful flashlight. And this flashlight here has got some interesting features, and I'm going to show you what they are. And they're going to be handy along the water riverbank when I'm carp fishing. I've got a port here for USB. So if I need to charge up some flashlight batteries for my, my overhead lamp that I'm going to be using, and then here's a charging port, and that's the kind of system you have to charge this. It has, I understand, it has like 9,000 milliamp battery in there, so that's very significant, and it's a LED light in there, and in here too. And I was checking it out. I field tested it last night in the basement, totally dark, and it's simulating a fishing situation. And it turns out that it's got quite a bit of light for that situation. So I won't need to bring my. I have a gas lantern, guys, and I'm trying to get away from all that stuff. Not that I'm concerned. Like what I want to do is simplify my. There you go, and you can see that strip there is going to light up my area that I'm going to work, to put fish hooks on and whatever. So this is a nice little light. Along with this light, excuse me, guys. Along with this light comes a little strap that you can strap it to a tree or, hang it from the top of your tent or bivvy or whatever you have. And then, it's got a good, powerful spotlight. Like I say, it can go quite a distance. I think 500 yards or maybe 1,000. I don't know, but I don't really need that part. But if I'm, if I'm going to photograph landing a fish, this might be handy to have that, and then strap it on an angle, pointing to the water roughly where I'm going to land my fish. Along with that, the strap I told you, but here's the charging kit that goes in there with all that. So it's just a plug-in AC, nothing spectacular. But simple is all you need. You don't need to make it complicated. The other thing I got here, guys, is I got some bungee cord, and that's for the garden, but it's also for my makeshift bivvy. I ordered a tarp. I think it's 20 by 30, or maybe it was 14 by 20. I don't know. I forget. But that is going to. I'm going to put a rebar in the ground, about a foot and a half rebar, and I've got some that tubing that you put your wires through and stuff like that. And I put that down there and bend it over and put the tarp over top, and then I'm going to secure the tarp with the bungee cord, and that's going to be my bivvy when I'm carp and catfishing. I don't need complicated. I just need functional. All right. So the other thing we got was grow bags. I've got here. I have three. I've got let's see. I got five. I got six 5-gallon ones and six 3-gallon bags. These are grow bags, and I'm gonna grow the peppers in them because peppers like to bottom out, and when they bottom out, they start fruiting more. So that's going to be a good thing to do. And we also bought some LED lights, okay, for the garden, just to pretty it up, make it look nice and all that. So that's, oh yeah, and I also forgot watering spigots. Yeah, we got a bunch of those. I'm careful not to get the brand name on there. I don't want to tick off the people at YouTube. So that's going to be for the container garden, because we're going to have, container garden, the bag gardens, to help water them, a watering system. So that's what's going on there. I'm not going to keep you long. I'm going to keep these videos short because I know there's a lot of you out there who have videos, and I want to watch them too and get some. So next week, what we're going to look for next Friday is we're going to look for planting of leeks. I'm going to put some leeks down. Hopefully, I got seed cells by then. But if not, I got solo cups and I'm ready to go. Take care, everybody. Happy gardening season. Rob out, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, everyone.